Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Power Cooker Plus parts is probably one of the most important factors to consider when maintaining your beloved multi-cooker. This video will guide you through the essential replacement parts for your Power Cooker Plus, ensuring you can continue enjoying delicious meals for years to come. We'll explore the various components, their functions, and how to identify when a replacement is necessary, helping you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Number 5. TamBee 8-quart Pressure Cooker Seal Kit. Is your pressure cooker's seal not as tight as it used to be? This replacement kit will restore its performance and keep your meals safe and delicious. Replacing the parts is simple, just remove the old ones and install the new ones. It's a quick fix for a safer cooking experience. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, it's safe for your family and ensures your food remains free from harmful chemicals. This comprehensive kit includes 1 floater, 3 sealers, 4 gaskets, and 1 sealing ring, everything you need for a complete replacement. It's recommended to replace your seals every 18 to 24 months or if you notice any deformation. This ensures optimal pressure and safety. This kit is designed for 8-quart pressure cookers, including models PPC 770, PPC 770-1, PCXL, Pro 6, PC, TRI 6, and PCWAL. Check the dimensions to ensure compatibility. What we like. This comprehensive kit ensures you have all the necessary replacement parts. It's made from durable, food-safe silicone for peace of mind. If you need a complete refresh of your pressure cooker's seals and components, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. GJS Gourmet Cooker Gaskets. Keep your pressure cooker performing its best. These replacement gaskets ensure a perfect seal every time. This twin pack provides 2 high-quality gaskets. That means you'll always have a spare on hand. Made from durable, food-safe silicone, they're built to last and keep your food safe. Replace it every 18 to 24 months, or sooner if you notice any deformation. It's a simple way to maintain your cooker. With a 24 cm inside diameter and 26 cm outside diameter, it's designed for a perfect fit in your 8-quart cooker. While designed for specific models, they may fit other 8-quart electric pressure cookers. Measure your pot to be sure. Remember, these gaskets are not manufactured by Power Cooker, but they are a perfect replacement. What we like. Get 2 replacement gaskets for double the lifespan. They are made of long-lasting silicone, providing excellent value. If you're on a budget but still need reliable replacements, this twin pack is your best bet. What people say. Quality made and fit perfectly into the lid of my Power XL pressure cooker. Used on Thanksgiving Day to cook my 8-pound turkey breast. I was having a hard time finding the correct information on which gaskets fit which Power Cooker XLs. Thankfully the description for these was very clear. These fit the first time and sealed right up. I have the Power Pressure XL and it is somewhat difficult finding parts for it, so I was very pleased to find these rings for such a good price. They fit just right. Number 3. Mity Rain Cooker Parts, 1+3. Is your pressure cooker leaking steam? This replacement floater and seals will restore it to its former glory. Get it back to cooking delicious meals in no time. Replacing the floater and seals is simple. It's a quick fix that will save you money and keep your cooker working perfectly. The floater and seals are vital components. They ensure your cooker maintains pressure and cooks food safely and efficiently. This replacement kit fits many popular Power pressure cooker models. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with yours. You'll receive 1 floater valve and 3 silicone gaskets. That's everything you need for a complete repair. Made from durable materials, it ensures a long-lasting repair. Enjoy many more meals cooked to perfection with your pressure cooker. What we like. This essential set revitalizes your pressure cooker by fixing steam leaks. It's compatible with many models, bringing your appliance back to life. If your pressure cooker is leaking steam and you need a quick fix, this is the solution for you. Number 2. Power Cooker XL Inner Pot. It's designed to perfectly fit your Power Pressure Cooker XL8 QT models PPC 772, PPC 780, and WAL3. Make sure to double-check your model number for compatibility. This inner pot is made from durable 18/8 stainless steel with a 3-ply bottom for even heating. The mirror-polished surface makes cleaning a breeze. It's crucial to remember that it only works with the specified Power Cooker XL models. Using it with other brands or models may cause it not to fit properly. There might be a slight height difference of 1 to 3 millimeters, but don't worry. The pressure cooker's sealing ring is elastic enough to compensate for this. Having a spare pot means you can start preparing your next meal while the first one is still cooking. It adds efficiency to your cooking process. What we like? Upgrade your cooking experience with a new stainless steel inner pot. Its even heating ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. If you want to enhance your cooking and have the convenience of a spare pot, this is the perfect upgrade. What people say. The original inner pot non-stick started peeling. I received it on time without damage. I love this stainless steel inner pot because it fits perfectly and it matches the outer layer of the Power XL. After the test, no leaks, no stain, and it works excellent. The original pot had a textured bottom that was hard to clean. This stainless steel pot is easy to clean, fits perfectly, and I love that I could also refresh my seals. This will help prolong the life of my Power XL pressure cooker. It's a lovely stainless steel with a heavy bottom, much nicer than the original. It cleans up beautifully, contents do not stick, and best of all it does not hold food odors. Number 1. GJS Gourmet Pressure Valve. Is your pressure cooker's valve damaged? This replacement part could be the solution. It's designed to restore functionality and save you money. This valve is compatible with select Power Cooker XL models, including PPC 770, PPC 773, PPC 780, PPC 790, and PCXL Pro 6. Please double-check your model number. Before purchasing, carefully compare the dimensions of this valve to your existing one. It's crucial for a proper fit. Please note, it does not fit all Power Cooker models. Specifically, it's incompatible with models WAL1, WAL3, and WAL4. This replacement valve is designed for easy installation. Bring your pressure cooker back to peak performance with minimal effort. This is a GJS Gourmet product, not manufactured or sold by Power Cooker. It's a high-quality replacement part. Refer to the images provided to verify compatibility. Matching dimensions ensures a perfect fit for your cooker. What we like? This replacement valve can restore your pressure cooker's functionality. It's crucial to check the dimensions first to ensure compatibility. If your pressure release valve is malfunctioning and you've checked the dimensions, this is the part you need. What people say. Top-rate quality. The products are better than the original item that came with the machine. You can feel the difference in the weight of the items, not cheap at all. My TamBee pressure cooker has a malfunctioned release valve. I happened to see this valve look similar in shape. So I ordered one, giving it a try. Amazing, it works perfectly. My Power Cooker Plus wasn't listed, it is a 772, but it fit perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.